The pivot year, day 303. Maybe your anger is not a result of some misfiring within your soul, but a place within you that desires a boundary to be set, a new baseline of thinking to be adopted and embedded and used. Maybe your anger is not an overreaction, but an equal one, a reasonable response to an unquestionable unfairness. Maybe your anger is not trying to burn through your life, but through you, to make you stronger where you once were too allowing, too accepting, too unwilling to stand up for what you know is right. Maybe your anger is not the lack of your spirit, but finally, at last, its presence arising and asking to be seen.